Hello, everybody. This is a presentation of an extended executive summary. A strategic case analysis is provided to address the growing number of challenges the company faces, including strong competition in each operating segment, changing consumer interests, and uncertainty in the economic landscape. Fiscal year 2024, the company reported a net loss of approximately $278 million, down from a net gain of $786 million in 2023, which is a 135% decrease in net income over prior year, with revenue down 2% at $11.2 billion and operating income down 11% at approximately $2.3 billion. Revenue, operating income, and net income have all been trending up since the merger with Eldorado in 2022. Since 2022, the company has reported a net loss up until 2023, where it reported a net gain and positive net growth by 253%. Two anomalies were found to contribute to this positive net income. The company was able to release a $940 million valuation allowance given in the previous year from deferred taxes in connection with the company's real estate investment trust leases. Also, the overall gaming revenue that coincided with Las Vegas Formula One event in 2023. The company's main source of revenue is generated through gaming, entertainment, hotel accommodations, dining experiences through four reportable segments that consist of the Las Vegas Strip, regional properties outside of Las Vegas, online gaming, and managed branded properties. The company's top competitors for each of their segments include Las Vegas Sands as an international competitor, MGM Grand, which is a competitor in Las Vegas regional and online gaming, Wynn Resorts, which is primarily a Las Vegas competitor, Penn Entertainment, which is a regional competitor, Flutter Entertainment, and DraftKings, which were both online gaming competitors. To increase Caesar Entertainment's value and improve its competitive advantage, we recommend investing in key strengths related to the Las Vegas and regional market, and to invest in the online gaming market to gain a greater share of the market. Caesar Entertainment is an industry leader in the casino gambling industry, primarily operating in the United States, and its globally recognized brand. Caesar Entertainment has a strong brand, has an industry-leading loyalty program, and has historical significance. The recommended strategy to invest in key strengths related to the Las Vegas and regional market coincides with the findings of the SWOT matrix by investing in marketing to drive visitors, especially through its existing loyalty program, and by investing in renovations of existing properties to the changes of consumer preferences. Doing so enabled the company to maximize on its existing strengths to avoid or reduce external threats. To further justify our strategic recommendations, the Boston Consulting Group matrix, or BCG matrix, indicated a mix of strategic opportunities for this recommendation, but consistent with its regional and Las Vegas market share. The BCG matrix is a strategic analysis of a company's business portfolio aimed at formulating strategies that target enhancing company's products position or divisional segments. The objective of the BCG matrix is to aid in strategic decision making on how to invest resources, realize value by cashing out, apply efforts elsewhere, or to divest. Caesar Entertainment holds a relatively equal share of the regional market with the market share position of 0.99, and falls within the star and cash cow quadrants. These two quadrants imply a relatively high market share, but by the position it holds on the chart, it signifies an equal measure of being within a mid-growth industry. The Grand Strategy Matrix also found the company's regional and Las Vegas segments have a strong competitive position within a slow growth market. The Grand Strategy Matrix is a comparative analysis of a firm or the strategic or the segments of a firm's competitive position to its market or industry growth as a means of formulating strategies. The objective of the grand strategy matrix is to formulate feasible strategies based on the placement of the business units relative to their position as it corresponds to their competitive position and market growth. The position of the regional and Las Vegas segments indicates the company has the brand recognition to launch diversified programs. Caesar Entertainment has a relatively small market share in the online marketing market. However, revenue in online gaming grew by 20% in 2024 and 78% in 2023, which is an increase of $190 million and $425 million respectively. Competition is high in the online gaming market, but so is the growth potential. We also recommend investing in online gaming market to gain a greater share market of the market. Based on the space matrix, Caesar Entertainment as a company should pursue an aggressive strategic posture that positions the company for expansion and or growth strategies. An aggressive posture signifies the company is in a high growth industry. According to Grandview Research, the U.S. Online gaming market is expected to have an annualized compounded rate of return of 9.8% per year over the period of 2025 to 2030. This is also consistent with the finding of the Grand Matrix and the BCG Matrix, which suggests intensive strategies in market penetration should be considered, but also indicates strong consideration should be given to this category due to the company's weak competitive position. Further consideration was given toward the company's mission and vision statement from a Christian perspective. Caesar Entertainment's mission and vision statements do not contain any elements that explicitly highlight the company's commitment toward the greater social good or contain elements reflective toward a Christian worldview. Caesar Entertainment is primarily in the gambling industry. The very nature of gambling goes against Christian principles, despite the fact that gambling is not specifically mentioned as a sin in biblical context. It is the nature of what gambling embodies that contradicts Christian beliefs. However, the company's position on corporate social responsibility do reflect a Christian worldview in terms of their stewardship of business practices through their people, planet, play framework. This is their commitment of supporting the well-being of their employees, guests, and local communities, their commitment for taking care of the world we all call home, and their commitment to create memorable experiences for their guests and to lead the industry through responsible business practices. This is the end of the presentation, and I just wanted to say thank you.